guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I want to show you my first Louis Vuitton agenda, which is the Agenda Fonctionell from Louis Vuitton, and it's this cute beauty out here. So this is the MM size of the Louis Vuitton Fonctionell agenda. In my opinion, this is a must-have for everyone or every woman who is working in an office or who just likes to write down everything. So this is really so practical. Just some standard things about this agenda. So this agenda you can find in 3 sizes. As I told you, this is the MM size, but you can also buy it in the PM size, which is a little bit smaller, and in the GM size, which is bigger than this. This format in here is the A5, so if you want a bigger one you have to buy the agenda in the GM. The price is around 460 euros, so it's a little bit pricey, but it's really worth the money. I can tell you why, because if you have this agenda you can easily open it. So, and on the inside you can see you can put in your insights, like your yearly insights every year. So it's so nice because you can just change the inside, but you will always have this beautiful canvas in here. So you can also close it so easily and just look at this beautiful golden hardware, which you can find here on the outside as the opening and closing clip, and also on the inside you can see you have the golden hardware, which is so beautiful. Look at this beauty, guys. It really looks so elegant. Let's start with the left side. So here you can see this beautiful brownish color, which is like a classical Louis Vuitton thing. And you can see here you have a lot of space to put some cards in it, maybe. Also credit cards can fit in, or just some photos if you want. Everything. It's really nice. Louis Vuitton does a super nice job with the initials. So as you can see, I put my initials on this agenda. It looks so nice, and I put it in the golden color because I'm a fan of the golden color. And down here you can see the Louis Vuitton print. So it's really small, but I will try to show it to you. It's in a black writing. It looks so decent and so nice. I really like this agenda. So let's come to the other part of the agenda. As you can see, you can swipe it off so easily, and in here you have a bigger compartment from the agenda where I put my stickers inside. Also, they come with the agenda. Those are the Louis Vuitton stickers. I also used some of them, as you can see, but it's a really great thing that you have this big compartment in here, because you can put some notes inside and you can easily find them. It's really a nice job. So for example, I will show you the month of July. You can find a lot of paintings in this agenda. It's made with so much love and so much detailing, and in here you can find the arrangement of the dates. So it's really beautiful, and you can also find every information very fast. I would recommend it to you because you don't have so much space, but it's enough. I mean, it's enough if you don't have to write a lot. So I will just show you some pages of the agenda. For example, here you have the whole month of August in one page, so it's really beautiful. And I just want to show you the agenda from the back as I opened it. It's really nice, so you can see the canvas all over the place. It's a beauty. So guys, I think this agenda is really useful if you have to go to the office like me. I have a lot of meetings during the week, and I always sit there and I have this agenda with me, and it really helps me, like, because I can write down everything I want. And it's also classy, it looks nice, it has this beautiful classic Louis Vuitton monogram on it, and it's a stunning piece. So I'm really glad to have this agenda. It was sold out for so many times, but I still arranged to get it. I also ordered it online because I couldn't find it in the store, even though I looked for it a lot of times. And one day I was really lucky. So yeah, this is the Louis Vuitton agenda in the MM size. As I told you, you can find it also smaller and also bigger. I would recommend this size for like 3 reasons. Because first of all, this size is really practical because you can easily put it in your bag, so it doesn't take a lot of space. It's not really spacey, but it still has like a whole year inside. The second reason is because of the weight. So for such a smallish agenda, the weight is still a little bit heavy. Like, you can really feel the heaviness of this agenda, but it's still okay. And the third reason is the classic monogram print. So this is really nice, and I would always take this size of an agenda because for me it looks the best and it's really practical. I couldn't imagine an office day without this agenda, and also I use it in my free time. If I just want to write down information, I always have this agenda with me. So guys, it was so much fun doing this video with you, and I hope you can enjoy and also find your own agenda size that you need. Just look for it in the stores or in the online stores. And if you enjoyed my video, please leave me a like, comment my video, or subscribe to my channel so I can show you all of my designer bags, accessories, and other many stuff on Tuesdays and Fridays. Stay tuned.